alarm assignment for 31 Grove Street for a possible structure fire for a large amount of black smoke in the basement. Engine 1, you're on for 31 Grove Street.
Search engine 3/4 from the alpha side. So there's smoke showing from the alpha side entrance door. Go ahead to a working fire.
We're testing a working fire assignment at 18 minutes.
Engine 1, charge 1. Go ahead and charge it.
Command ladder 3. You want to hit the hydrant?
Ladder 3, in front of the building. Grab a 50-foot 2-inch and bring it down around there. Have someone bring it down around there.
Sheriff's Fire, Born Engine 123 is on responding to the scene. Grove Street for the structure fire.
Before you get to side A, assist with that 5-inch to our engine 1.
Send water. Engine 1, less than quarter tank.
Basement. There's a second entrance to the crawl space on the kitchen side behind the cupboard. About the same size, though.
Farland, can you call the marshal's office for a fire investigator to come down here? They can call my cell phone. Just advise me when they're going to call. Fire alarm, Grove Street Command.
Answering Grove Street Command.
I advised the homeowners about Red Cross. They're all set on Red Cross.
I heard the engine change to the water now.